Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Common issues with ADT sensors include loss of connection, low battery, and false alarms. To fix these, for loss of connection, ensure the sensor is within range of the base station, and reset the connection if necessary. If facing a low battery issue, replace the battery, typically a County Route 123A or similar, ensuring polarity is correct. False alarms can often be reduced by adjusting the sensor sensitivity within the ADT system settings or repositioning the sensor to avoid triggers like pets or passing cars. Regular maintenance checks are recommended to prevent these issues.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.